It's such a joy and a blessing to welcome you to this sacred land, to the length of the Himalayas, to the banks of Mother Ganga, to that which is called Yoga Nagari Rishikesh, the land of yoga.
Bhakti prapanam karuna karantam premavataram hanumashwarupam vairagyavantam gurumasmadiyam vishasya pujam shrihasanamami.
Az a célunk, hogy bemutassuk a valódi tradicionális jogát ezen a helyszínen, ahol kialakult. Keressük a valódi gyakorlást, a jóga valódi mélységét, a meditációt, az elmélyülést, a spiritualitásnak a valódi tisztaságát.
That's the first question yogis ask, and yoga have answered.
Yoga word means union, union with soul.
That helps you understanding the purpose of life.
So that yoga is not a part of life, it's one way to live.
There is no thing in this Ganga-related world where something happens without reason.
You are part of one indivisible family.
We are not to live as like a selfish man. Do something for others, help other people as well.
All over the world, all we are yogic brother and sister on this planet.
There is not much difference. We are one as a world.
Please send us from the non-true to the true, from the darkness to the light, and from the death to the immortality.